Hi there, my name's Mr. Johns and I've got a question for you. Are you prepared to dance? In this video we're going to be talking about getting prepared to dance. So, first things first, do you have the right clothing? Wear something loose, something comfortable that you can move your body in. So your top and your pants should be nice and loose, stretchy. You can wear your sports uniform, that's really good too. On your feet, you can go barefooted like me, or you can wear soft and flexible shoes. Up to you, you can choose. Be the master of your own feet. Lastly, no fancy accessories. I love a necklace, but don't wear a necklace. Don't do it, just don't. And no fancy hats either. Sorry. Unless you're outside, then you need to be wearing a hat. I don't make the rules, I just enforce them. Next, we need to make sure that there is room to move. If you don't have any room to move, then make some. Move things around. So stack some chairs, stack some plates, do the dishes. I don't know. Also, is the floor clean? If not, clean it, because you're probably going to be lying on it, or dancing on it, or just not eating from it at all. So you clean the floor. Last thing is we need to do a warm-up dance. So follow me.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're around it. Everyone falls down sometimes, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, some days you wake up and nothing works, you feel surrounded. Gotta give your feet some gravity to get you grounded. Keep good things inside your ears just like the waves and sound it. And just say whatever, cause there is no way you're grounded. Everyone falls down sometimes, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sun